Stacey, is this as bad for luxury consumers and luxury companies as we fear?
It is, Dom, and in the short term, we don't know how long this is going to last. It will have a huge impact. If you think about not only the exposure for the luxury guys in mainland China, but also as a traveler, up to 40% of luxury goods are bought by the Chinese globally. So you think about they're not shopping at home, and they're also not able to travel. Finally, if you think about the Chinese consumer, when they travel and buy luxury goods, they spend more money abroad than they do at home. So if you think about that picture and think about really the Chinese consumer being somewhat locked down at this point, it's going to have a significant impact for so many names, from Burberry to Moncler to LVMH to Tapestry.
So we've been following the stocks for many of these. We're showing right now LVMH shares. You can see there over the course of the year-to-date period, they've already lost 7%. The downtrends have been in place ever since coronavirus has been in play. Many of these stocks appear as though they're on discount. They're on sale. Would you be stepping in to buy some of these names now?
Absolutely. So two of our top picks in 2019, and we kept them into 2020, Moncler and LVMH. So I think if you look at this, what is going on in the world, and you say, OK, let's assume in 6 months, there's a solution here, things get better. These are the brands you want to own for the long term. So if you're looking at a 6 to maybe 12-month horizon, there's going to be a lot of volatility. But long term, there are certain brands that are going to own the Chinese consumer and the global luxury consumer. And I think LVMH and Moncler, because of their product and how they're speaking to the customer, are the two to own.
All right, so we've also been talking about supply chain impacts, the market in China and elsewhere in Asia. There's a Dow component right now. Nike shares are just about flat right now. Are these scenarios where people like Nike and Adidas, those particular types of companies, are ones that would be also perhaps on a shopping list for global investors if these pullbacks continue?
Absolutely. So if you look at Nike, about 18% of their sales come out of China. Just over 20% they source out of China. For Adidas, it's slightly higher here. So yes, there's going to be not only the impact of the revenue line, but longer term, perhaps a supply chain impact. And also, if you think about retailers in general, they are leaving more open to buys, meaning they're chasing orders versus ordering, 9 months in advance. That was years ago that stopped. So now they're perhaps going to be left short here. But I think this is an opportunity to step up and own the best brands out there: Nike, LV, Moncler, and of course, domestically, if Target's brought down with the retail trend, great opportunity as well for Target.